This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So you're probably thinking if you've been to a Disney World or a Disneyland, you've seen it all, right? Well, at first glance, you're probably right. But this one has a few more rides.
And what Disneyland can you go to where Elsa is singing to you in French?
There's a dragon under the castle.
This is like scarier than I even expected it was going to be.
I mean, they've got a merry-go-round. There's Space Mountain. Wait. Hyperspace Mountain?
There's a castle that looks a little bit different, and they're serving crepes on every corner.
Hey everyone, we're Stephen, Jess, and Little Hunter. Today we're going to be exploring the wonders of EuroDisney, a Disneyland resort all the way here in Paris. And Little Hunter is finally old enough to go on some rides. Hunter, you happy? Yes!
She's happy!
So we hope you enjoy our two-part adventure with some special little guests. So the reason we're here in Paris is because a little friend of ours called Beth is celebrating her birthday. Surprise! That's back there, after we flew all the way to Canada to surprise her and her family after the pandemic separated us for a few years. And she picked, well, the one place we always go on holiday with the Grin series, Disneyland Paris. We got in on the trains just a few hours before then, so we're going to make her bedroom nice and birthday ready. Hey guys! We made it.
Happy birthday, dear.
Whose face is it? Who do you see? It's kind of cool. We happen to be in Florida, Disney World for the 50th, and now we're in Disneyland Paris for the 30th. And I think this is why we keep coming back. The joy our little family gets from running down Main Street gets us every single time.
I still think Hunter doesn't exactly know where we are right now.
Hunter, where are we right now?
But when she sees the characters, I think she's going to be pretty excited. We just stepped into the park and we saw everyone sitting down and we're like, oh my goodness, we've come at the perfect time. I think a parade is about to start. Ever ears. Oh, she looks so cute. Do you like it?
Yes.
Go have a look. Of course you go for the biggest toy you see.
He's a little bit of a better size, isn't he?
I like Minnie.
You like Minnie?
Let's go ride the elephant. Let's go. High five. Yeehaw.
It's crazy what just a few months can do. Last time we were at Disney World in Florida. She's totally ready to come on some rides now.
Do you want to hold hands?
You are the sunrise making my day. You are the moonlight shining my way. This is where.
And yes, we've been on this 5 times already. You going on the teacups?
No, I'm not excited. Are you making me go spin round and round and round and round and round and round and round? Yes. Good. All right, now Hunter, I've never been on teacups before. Oh my gosh, I already regret it, Steve. Stop it. Yeah. Is it fun, Hunter?
Go to the air.
Wow, are you dizzy? Wow, wobbly, wobbly.
It's so much more fun since Florida because Hunter is now interested in the rides. Oh,
before she was like scared of them all. You did it! Should we go find another ride? Let's do it. Oh dear. Oh dear. Snow. I think Anna and Elsa are there. Is that a big monster on the castle? Oh no. Oh, it's from Aladdin, is it? Choo choo. Go on that one next.
If she knows what's
Stuck in the middle. I was like, what is going on? Alrighty, Bubba, are you ready? Your first ever roller coaster. Here we go.
Hands in the air.
Hands in the air.
A little hand went up.
See, who said those rides would be boring? Is this fun? Hunter, your first roller coaster. She said, Daddy, we went so fast. So did you go so fast? Yeah, and did you put your hands in the air? And did you say, wee? There's a Pinocchio ride. Oh, what was that? Hunter, Pinocchio!
Never been on that ride before. It's
Hunter, did you like the Pinocchio ride?
no. To be honest, it did look a little bit scary, that one. Hunter gonna try? Ready? Go! Uh-oh. Hunter, can you even see over? Grab the wheel! Grab the wheel! Alright, I drove you all around Australia. You need to drive us around Disney, okay? Whoa, no! Grab the wheel! Grab the wheel! Is this gonna be us in 14 years' time when I'm teaching you to drive? Yep, this is gonna be you trying to TikTok. Are we sleeping on the job? First driving lesson, semi-successful? Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go! And down! Hunter, you happy? Yes! She's happy! It's so high up! This is too high! It's too spinning! I like the high rise. I'm like shaking and crying. Oh, you did it, girl! High five! Yes! Alright, let's go find another one. Have we got a snack for the ride?
Whoa! Here we go! My finger.
Oh, is she?
Yeah. Oh yay! There she is! Look, Snow White! Yay! Why was that the scariest ride ever?
Did you like Snow White?
It was like the whole thing was scary, and the last like second was cute Snow White vibes.
Okay, it's official because we only did it a few months apart. Yeah, the Big Thunder Mountain in Paris is way better than the Big Thunder Mountain in Florida. Just jumped on the Indiana Jones ride.
You will always remember this as the day that you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow.
Hunter, how does the song go? Oh,
Stop, I must
Stop if you see the pirates, okay?
You seem somewhat familiar. Have I
haunted house, but she's still scared of Tigger.
If you're gonna pounce, you got to have some bounce.
So tonight we've come out to dinner at one of the character dining. The moment we walked in, we already saw characters. Hunter's a little bit scared of Goofy, so we're waiting for Goofy to go away, and hopefully she starts getting excited. Would you like to meet Mickey Mouse? Oh, she said okay. Wait a minute, who's that over there? Is it Mickey?
There you go, Bubba. It's kind of cool. We're in a glass house and you can come here for breakfast. We decided to come here for dinner because we had a bit of a sleep in today.
Did you see the dinner though?
Yeah.
So I just went and grabbed us some pumpkin soup, and then they had all these fresh seafood and meats and desserts. Like, it's huge.
Yeah.
Way bigger than I was expecting.
I'm impressed so far. It's really good. Hunter's definitely at that age where good to watch in a parade, which she loved. We'll see what she's like when they come over. So if not, me and Jess are down for it.
She may be hiding.
We just need to get you Tigger out.
That's okay, honey. I'll come say hi to Tigger then.
Really impressed with the food here. I've got some salmon, some couscous, some coleslaw, some salad. There's so much stuff here. It's pretty tasty.
We felt bad about Tigger, so now she's eating a little strawberry tart. Is it yummy? Do you like Tigger? No. Hi, Mickey. Hunter, who is it? That's a bit more happy than when you saw Goofy.
Shall we get a photo with Mickey?
Should we get a little picture? Stand up, and Mummy will hold you. Great to see you, Daddy. Just give him a cuddle. Do you want to give him a little hug? Cuddle? Oh, good girl.
I really missed you, Hal.
Do you want to give him a high five? Hunter, did you just meet Mickey Mouse? Did you give him a high five? Yeah, complete opposite to when she met Goofy. Oh, I'm so proud of her. Back to dinner. So happy. Let's go.
Hey everyone, we just want to take a quick moment to thank our longtime friends and partners of the channel Squarespace for partnering up with us on this video. So if you haven't heard of Squarespace before, they're the all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website or blog. As you guys know, we have loved using Squarespace. It's just so easy to put together a website. We've been running our blog straight off Squarespace. We have all our past travels on there, photos. It's great to just jump on there and have one spot to put all your photos and memories. Plus, it's so easy to put it together. They have a bunch of different templates, award-winning, 24/7 customer support, so if you get a little bit stuck, it's so easy to get through. So if you're interested in just having a little play around, testing out what Squarespace is like, I'll leave a little free trial below. And then if you want to make your website or blog, 10% off your first order. Alright, let's head back to the video.
So something a little bit special about the castle here in Paris is that you can go and explore at the top of the castle, and you can also go underneath.
And you're probably thinking that this castle looks a little bit different to the other ones. It's because you're right. When they were designing the castle here for EuroDisney, they knew the French had access to amazing castles already in real life. From the ones in France, the ones in Germany. So when designing Belle's castle, it's completely unique. The other ones are designed based on existing castles.
It's a moving dragon. What? You drag it under the castle. This is like scarier than I even expected it was going to be.
You can come and explore Belle's castle. So we're walking up. Let's check it out.
Like in Florida, the only way you can see the castle is if you eat at Cinderella's breakfast thing that we did. But look, we've just come up the stairs and we're up inside the Disney castle here in Paris. So cool. What an awesome view of the park.
Sometimes you can be like, oh yeah, it's just a theme park, but there has to be some respect to the artists that make these stained glass windows just for us to walk around and see.
Louder! Hakuna!
right? Yeah, we're going up. Final night of the ride. Oh yeah.
Mini Mickey fireworks? Did you just wake up?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Worst staying up.
Wake up!
Wake up! It's firework time! Sissies.
No, no.
Num num.